learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey, what's up, everyone? It's time to talk about Hakka on Icrt.
Hello， 大家好，我是阿兵哥 Leo。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling, and Leo is here, so let's go ahead and dig into his brain and try to learn another intelligent proverb in Hakka, 也就是所谓的客语谚语时间到了。好，跟我们用一句谚语，客语的谚语呢，来让我们更多学习一些人生的大道理。
好啊，没问题我先念了哈。
好，
人品不移，
人品不移，
水品不流，
水品不流。其实很多时候谚语就是要有押韵，还可以变成饶舌。人品不移，水品不流，
也 OK 啦 ，OK 啦。我突然觉得好。
我刚刚念的对吗？还
对，
算 OK，
念的对，对，是。
That was a pretty darn accurate pronunciation of it, just learning it for the first time. But what does it mean? 这到底是什么意思吗？我们一段一段来解释好了。
好，
前4个字是什么？
人品不移就是人平不语，
人平不语。就是说，人平静的心就不会讲话了。
它的平是那个公平的平。
Okay, that second word 平 okay, which means leveled, is actually fairness. So when people are fair, 就不会去闲言闲语吗？
对，就是当一个人就是做事比较公平的时候，就比较不会有那些闲言闲语出现。
Oh, that's true. Okay, so when people are fair, there will be no gossip or rumors or any opinions and stuff like that, right? 那后面一句呢？
水平不流就是水，如果是它是很平静的，它就不会一直在到处流动了。
就是一个比喻嘛，就像水一样啦。
对，是。
So just like water, when it's still, it won't flow around that much. And therefore, you know that you're not going to get a lot of rumors. You know? 这是一个很好，所以是提醒大家。
公平的喂。
Okay, let's hear it in English.
As an old Hakka saying goes, gossip can be a fearful thing. This saying refers to situations where you make a decision, but there will always be someone who is dissatisfied or disagrees and will complain. In other words, you can't please everyone, or no matter what, someone will just dislike you or your choices. In today's vernacular, many say, haters gonna hate. However, if you can clearly explain the reasoning behind your choices and put minds at ease, then few will gossip or complain.
And let's have Leo say the proverb again.
人品不移，水品不流。
人品不移，水品不流。And there you go, another smart and wise edition of We Love Hakka.
什么大家？
俺只说张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.